Questions and answers. Where is Sardinia situated? To the west of Sardinia lies the Sea of Sardinia. To the east, the Tyrrhenian Sea. The Strait of Bonifacio lies north of Sardinia and separates it from the French island of Corsica. What are some of the languages spoken in Sardinia? Sassarese, Corsican, Gallurese, Algherese, Catalan, Ligurian, Taberchino, and many other dialects. What is the capital city? Cagliari. What are the seas which surround What seas surround Sardinia? The Sea of Sardinia, the Tyrrhenian Sea, the Strait of Bonifacio. What are the names of the 4 provinces? Sassari, Oristano, Nuoro, Sud Sardinia, and Cagliari. What are the ecosystems? Mountains, woods, plains, large uninhabited land, streams, rocky coasts, and long sandy beaches. What is the name of the highest peak? Punta La Marmora, or La Marmora. What is the climate like? The climate in the east is drier than the west. There is a lot of rainfall in winter and autumn, heavy showers in spring and snow in the highlands, little rain in summer. What are some of the industries? Tourism, sheep farming, cork, mining, shipbuilding, metallurgical, chemical and petrochemical industries. Where do most tourists go in Sardinia? To the north of Sardinia. Sicily. Where is Sicily situated? In the central Mediterranean Sea, south of the Italian peninsula. It is separated from the Italian peninsula by the Strait of Messina. What is the name of the strait separating Sicily from the Italian peninsula? The Strait of Messina. What other islands does the autonomous region of Sicily include? The Aegean Islands, the Ionian Islands, Pantelleria, and Lampedusa. How many provinces does Sicily have? 9 provinces. What is the geography like in Sicily? It is mostly hilly inland. On the coast in the north there are 3 mountain ranges and 1 in the southeast. Mount Etna lies on the eastern coast, What is the name of the active volcano in Sicily? Mount Etna. Where does it snow in Sicily? It snows in the mountains. What was Selinunte? It was a Greek city in the southwest of Sicily. How old is the 100-year chestnut? Between 2,000 and 4,000 years old. Can you name some industries in Sicily? Tourism, shipyards, mechanical factories, publishing, chemical, petrochemical, electronics, oil refineries, sea salt, textiles, and fishing. Is the oral tradition important in Sicily? Yes, it is. Can you name some typical food from Sicily? Some typical food from Sicily is arancini, cannoli, cassata, ice cream. Tuscany. What is the capital of Tuscany? Florence. What is Tuscany known for? It is the birthplace of the Italian Renaissance. Can you name some famous museums in Florence? The Pitti Palace, the Uffizi. What is Castiglione della Pescaia known for? It is known for its beaches, nightlife, large fishery, and a nature reserve. What can you find in the Diaca Botrona? You can find flamingos, mallards and ducks. What is Siena famous for? It is famous for the Palio horse race. What is the emblem of Siena? The she-wolf. What regions does Tuscany border? It borders Liguria to the northwest, Emilia-Romagna to the north, Marche to the northeast, Umbria to the east and Lazio to the southeast. What is the name of the largest island in the Tyrrhenian Sea? The Isle of Elba. What activities can you do in the Garfagnana? Hiking and climbing. What is the climate like? Near the coast, the climate is mild. Inland, it is cooler and wet. There is a difference in temperature between summer and winter. What are the industries in Tuscany? Tourism, mining, marble, textiles, chemicals, pharmaceuticals, metalworking, steel, glass, ceramics, printing, and publishing. Smaller industries specialize in leather, hothouse plants, furniture, scooters, and motorcycles. What crops do they grow in Tuscany? Cereals, potatoes, olives, grapes, rice, tobacco, beets, and sunflowers. What is the name of the famous shopping street in Florence? Via dei Tornabuoni. Bye-bye.